Nigerian genius.
And we are Team Light from Alex Ekweme Federal University in Dufalike, Ikwu. And this is Nigerian Genius Campus Edition 2025. And today's we began with a brain teaser challenge where we were tasked to manufacture a kind of water dispenser, and also that can also dispense Coke and Fanta at the same time.
So what we are going to do is pour juice dispenser. Do something that can dispense those substances.
So we are giving some materials to use, cartons, we had our scissors, we had our glue, and we had straws and the cans itself so that we can begin to work. So first of all, my teammates, we had to, as a group, think out a sketch, a design, in order for us to see what we are doing. We mapped out the plan, then we now distributed and organized ourselves on what each of us had to do. So one of my team was in charge of constructing how it will, the mechanism in which it will open, and the other one was now constructing the framework. I was assisting anyone that needed a hand, whether it is cutting of the material or marking of the line. So at the end of the day, the time elapsed, even the extra time they gave to us, because time was a bit, the constraint was much. So at the end of the day, they came to judge us, and after looking at our work,
Okay, so if you want to dispense Coke,
we pull this. Okay, she will have a drop. Yes. Okay, so once you pull, once you pull this way, dispense it. Has something entered? Yes. Okay. Then close that up.
okay. So, okay, did it come out? Is that?
and after our final work and progress for the day, they announced the result, and surprisingly, our team came out as the first in the competition.
For the brain teaser, Funai had 58.5%, giving us the first position.
Our presentation of what we did after the brain teaser, we came out last with a 50,
which is the progress report. Funai had 55.5%.
confidence in presentation. So I feel we are a bit lacking, or we were a bit lacking in that sense. So we took note of that mistake. And when we were talking about our roles, we made a mistake of interchanging and discussing the responsibilities we did.
So concerning our previous welding class, fabrication class, we were able to complete our chair today. We were able to have a spraying class where we were able to spray our this. But first, before we spray, we had to sandpaper and smoothen the surface of the chair, the metallic the chair. So then after that, we undergo the spraying class. Then we use a spraying gun that uses a compressor to pump air. understand, to spray it neat and clean, and we did our best and it came out neat. Then also we also had to cut and arrange our top. We actually used HDF board, this HDF board, and we also had to do the edge trimming and make it nice, file it, and also assemble them using screw nails. And we were able to finish our and it came out well and very strong. Then the last class we had today was the continuation of our molding class, where we designed our mold previously. So today we were able to complete it and start our CNC processes, and we learned a lot and also see how the process is being done, and it was a quite entertaining, and I do learn a lot from here, and it's quite engaging also.
So a big shout out to my fans out there. I want to thank the organizers of this program, CIC Component Innovation Center, the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, down to the officiating team. Everyone has been doing a very great job to see that things work out and go out well. And down to the media that has been helping us to capture the event. I also want to give a big shout out to my school out there, Alex Ekweme Federal University, the Vice Chancellor, down to the Dean of Engineering and our HOD, and even our classmates as well. They have been of good encouragement to us. I want to give a big shout out to our family out there. They have been taking calls and checking on us on how things are faring out there, encouraging us.
The Nigerian Genius